What I just played was an example of the country lick we played in the last lesson, but I transposed it across two other keys, which is the key of C and the key of D. So the first part is exactly the same as what we played in the last lesson. The second part, however, is going to start on the 3rd fret of the A string. Then we're going to play the open D string, 1st fret, 2nd fret, then the open G string, 2nd fret G string, pull off, and then play the 1st fret of the B string. It's exactly the same picking as the previous video, which goes like this: down, down, up, hammer, up, down, pull, down. Lastly, we're going to go into the key of D, starting on the open D string, 2nd fret, 3rd fret, hammer onto the 4th fret, 2nd fret G string, 4th fret G string, pull off, and then play the 3rd fret of the B string. The picking for that part will be down, down, up, hammer, up, down, pull, down. So just like before. Then we end on the key of G. So exactly the same as the previous video. Here we go from the top. This is how it sounds all together. So there was an example of how you can transpose a country scale lick into different keys. We started out in the key of G, then moved to C, then to D, and then ended back on G.